Flippa is an online marketplace that allows users to buy and sell websites, domain names, and online businesses. Here's a brief overview of how Flippa works. 1. Listing a website or business. To sell a website or business on Flippa, you'll need to create a listing that includes details such as the website's traffic, revenue, and profitability. You can also include screenshots, videos, and other supporting materials to make your listing more attractive to potential buyers. 2. Promoting your listing. Once your listing is live, you can promote it through Flippa's marketing tools such as social media integration and email campaigns. You can also choose to feature your listing in Flippa's premium listings section for an additional fee. 3. Bidding and negotiations. Buyers can place bids on your listing during the auction period, which typically lasts for several days. You can also negotiate directly with buyers outside of the auction process if you prefer. 4. Closing the sale. Once the auction ends or a private sale is completed, Flippa will facilitate the transfer of ownership and payment between the buyer and seller. Flippa charges a fee for each sale, which is deducted from the final sale price. Flippa is a popular platform for buying and selling online businesses due to its large user base and established reputation in the industry. However, it's important to do your due diligence before making any purchases or sales on Flippa, as there are risks involved in buying or selling websites and businesses online. Flippa is not a platform for creating online stores. Flippa is an online marketplace for buying and selling websites, domain names, and online businesses. If you're looking to create an online store, you'll need to use a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento to build your store from scratch or use a pre-built template. Once your store is up and running, you can consider listing it on Flippa if you decide to sell it in the future.